In this video, I will show you how you can create a component-based message that has a button which opens up another thread channel. Firstly, make sure you are on the Discohook website. Link is in the description. Click on the new blank message option to start everything from scratch. Click on the Add Message option and select the component-based message option. Delete the first message because that is a standard message and we do not need that one. After this, click on the Add option and select the Container option. Now, select the Content option and add any kind of information you would like to see. I already have a welcome message, so I will use that. I have changed the formatting of the text. If you want to know more, then you can check out this video. Now I will select the Media Gallery option and add a welcome header. In a private Discord channel, I have already uploaded the image. If you want this same image, then you can get it from Gumroad. Link is in the description. I will click on the image and select Copy Image Link. I will paste the link here and move the media gallery above the content. Now, if we click on the accessory option and select the link button option, then it will be on the top right corner. Preview is not shown properly, but it will work if we send it in Discord. You can customize the button however you would like to. In the URL section, we need to add the thread URL, so let us create that. In your Discord channel, click on the plus option and select Create Thread. After that, write the thread name. Type any kind of message inside the thread and later delete that message. Right-click on the thread message and copy the thread link. Now, to send this message in Discord, I need the webhook URL. You can customize the webhook name and profile. Copy the link, paste it here, and add the webhook. Now, I will send the message. You can delete the thread message now. As you can see, if I click on the button, it will open a thread channel. Quick note before we continue, if you want a professional Discord server, but don't want to spend hours setting everything up, then you can hire me. I've been building servers for the past 5 years, helping creators and businesses with nothing but amazing 5-star reviews from clients. To get started, just fill out this form. It's the first link in the description. Now, if you want, we can add the button below the message. Inside the Container option, select the Row option. Here, select the Link button option. As you can see, the button is inside the container message. If you create a link button outside the container, then it will be shown outside of the message. Here is the preview of what it looks like. Now, if you want to send a component message inside a thread channel, then follow along. Make sure you already have a message ready that you want to send inside the thread. Open the thread option. Here, you can see the thread name and ID. If you already have a thread created, then paste the ID here. To get the ID, right-click on the thread channel and copy the thread ID. If you are not seeing the thread ID option, then go to User Settings, Developer, and enable developer mode. Once you have added the thread ID, paste the webhook URL. As you can see, the message has been sent inside the thread channel. Now, if you want to send a webhook-based message in a forum channel, then open the thread option and write thread or forum post name. Now, get the forum webhook URL and paste it here. As you can see, the message has been sent inside a forum channel.